Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here going to show you how to use anchors on Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly use anchors here on Wix. So just to give you some example, some explanation here, anchors are, from the name itself, are anchors that you could basically redirect users to. So just in case, like if you want to focus a very specific section, image, or any information that you want to focus on your page here, you could use anchors to basically redirect the attention of your visitors. Now, how do you exactly add them? How do you use them? Well, they are easy. So first is you want to locate the section or part of the part of your page that you want to add your anchor. Now, for example, I want to basically add people in this section here. Now, let's go and click on the add element at the top left here. Let's go to menu and anchor. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose anchor. Now we have our basic anchor. Let's go ahead and just drag it into our web page. And we've just added our anchor. Now, the most important part here is going to, you want to make sure here that your anchor is unique. Now, especially if you have multiple anchors here, this will confuse or your anchor might not work properly if you don't set this up properly. So in this case, make sure the anchor name is unique. So I'm going to keep this as anchor 1. The URL suffix here is also important. Make sure to make that it's actually unique as well. So I'm going to keep this as anchor 1 as well. But yeah, once you've done that, what we need to do is you could just basically close this one. Now the thing with anchors, by the way, your anchor here is going to be the top of your page. So wherever you paste this one, this is going to be the view. So this is where the top section of your browser will stop. So make sure you properly position it. Like for example, if you click a button, it will redirect the anchor. So the anchor is going to be at the very top here. This is what's going to look like. This is an example. But yeah, so what we need to do in order for it to utilize that anchor, we need to use a button. So in this case, let's go and just add a simple button here. Let's go and add element. Let's go to buttons. Let's go and click on view more. Add view more here. Now, what we need to do is we need to click on that button. Click on the link here, which in this case, anchors are links that you could use. So in here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and choose section or anchor. Now from here, choose the page where you want to use the anchor. Now from here, where on the page, go and expand this one. And you just need to choose your anchor. Again, like what I said, anchors should be unique, so that you don't get confused. But let's go and choose our anchor here. Click on done. Let's go ahead and click on preview. Now, like what I said before, this anchors the attention of your users to that specific section. So whenever they click that button that has the anchor, that would actually scroll the page into the section that you've set your anchor. So in this case, it might actually my web page right now is quite lagging. I think right now it scrolls to there. Let's go and go back here, click on view more again. It's going to scroll, and as you can see, we're in there in that section. But yeah, so that's how you use anchors on Wix. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Up. Thank you for watching.